Hello everyone. Welcome to the comforting zone. Today I will show you some cool gadgets you can buy online. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's jump into the video. In the fast-paced world we live in, staying connected is more important than ever. Whether it's for work or personal use, our smartphones have become an essential part of our daily lives. However, the constant need to charge our devices can be inconvenient, especially on the go. That's where the 2023 new Weetla wireless car charger comes in. It comes with a 360 degrees rotatable car air vent clip. It can support your use on different types of air vents. It also has triangular stability, applicable to different driving scenarios, and is stable and not falling. When you connect the data cable and put the phone in the wireless car charger bracket will automatically clamp the phone. You just simply press the buttons on either side of the charger to open the arms. Wireless car charger has a built-in 1.5F capacitor, which can be switched on and off 10 times after the car is turned off. Not only that, charger mount also has a metal clamp arm and a smooth mirror surface, which can firmly catch your phone while protecting it. The Kululi Classic 4-liter mini fridge is the epitome of convenience and portability. With its matte finish and modern profile, this mini fridge is designed to be your ultimate companion wherever you go. The Kululi Classic 4-liter is super versatile, making it perfect for a wide range of uses. Whether you need to store food, drinks, beer, snacks, breast milk, insulin, skin care products, or medications, this mini fridge has got you covered. It's a versatile solution for all your storage needs. Designed to cater to all your power needs. It comes with both AC and DC power cords, allowing you to use it indoors or outdoors effortlessly. Additionally, it includes a USB cord, adding another level of flexibility to its functionality. Enhance your car travel experience with the versatile AIRELAX car sleeping pad. Not just for Tesla owners, the AIRELAX car sleeping pad is designed to fit a variety of vehicles. Crafted with solid foam and an excellent inner foam structure, this air mattress holds air effectively, maintains stability, and offers a soft and noise-free surface. You can roll over without disturbing the person next to you, making it a significant improvement over standard air mattresses. Measuring 3 inches thick when fully inflated, the AIRELAX car sleeping pad offers comfort for all sleeping positions. The surface texture provides a pleasant touch, promising a delightful sleeping experience that elevates your car travel. Capture every detail and ensure safety with the triple camera dash cam. This advanced dash cam features 3 cameras that record simultaneously, providing a 170-degree wide-angle front and interior camera view and a 150-degree rear camera view, capturing every detail and serving as crucial evidence. With full HD 1080p resolution for the front camera and enhanced HD 720p video for the interior and rear cameras, this triple camera system delivers smooth and clear footage. The one-key switching feature allows you to effortlessly switch between the front, inside, and rear cameras, providing different angles of your vehicle. Excels in night vision with its 4 IR night vision lamps and large f1.8 aperture, coupled with a Sony image sensor. Ensure 24/7 protection for your vehicle with the parking monitor function. This feature automatically activates the dash cam and records emergency footage in the event of an impact or collision after the engine is turned off. Enjoy the ultimate convenience of your personal mobile cafe. With this portable espresso maker, you have the freedom to choose between hot brew or cold brew coffee, based on your preferences and needs. Just one pump shot in one hand, and you can enjoy the best coffee instantly. No need to hold a portable espresso machine while extracting espresso. Our clever cup handheld design holds the coffee for you. Featuring ceramic heating technology, it brews espresso coffee at a temperature of 96 C in just 2.5 minutes. Even heating cold water takes only 3 to 4 minutes, which is 6 minutes quicker than some other brands. The 15 bars of pressure ensure a perfect extraction of capsule or ground coffee, resulting in rich crema and a tantalizing aroma. Espresso Maker comes with a long-lasting rechargeable battery. When fully charged, it allows you to enjoy delicious coffee anytime, anywhere. Experience exceptional range and enhanced protection against speeding tickets with the new M13 platform. Equipped with dual antennas, this radar detector offers a 50% improved detection range and sensitivity, providing you with peace of mind on the road ahead. Enjoy faster performance with the enhanced Blackfin DSP chip and advanced false alert filtering intelligence. Legitimate signals are processed immediately, ensuring that you are promptly notified of any upcoming threats. With this quick response, you have ample time to react and adjust your speed accordingly. Achieve true 360 degrees awareness with the M13 radar detector. It detects threats from all 4 directions and displays arrows to indicate the direction of the threat, giving you instant knowledge of where your attention needs to be focused. Save time and effort on car exterior cleaning with this car dust brush. Featuring a telescopic handle and a non-slip grip design, it offers convenience and safety. Simply stretch the bar to reach high and far areas, making cleaning a breeze. Enjoy the biggest microfiber cleaning brush head on the market. With 360-degree electrostatic microfiber dusting surface, it quickly sucks up dirt and dust, leaving your car spotless in no time. Car detailing duster is not just for the exterior. It also serves as an excellent car duster for interior cleaning. Use it to remove dust and pollen, ensuring a clean and fresh environment inside your car. Experience enhanced waterproof performance with our upgraded truck bed tent. Made of polyester Oxford with a PU 3000 waterproof coating, it ensures that your car stays clean and dry even in challenging weather conditions. The superior ripstop grade material adds durability, making the tent long-lasting and reliable. Enjoy double protection with our truck bed tent. It comes with an additional tent cover and a removable awning, providing extra defense against bad weather, including strong ultraviolet radiation and heavy rain. With this double protection, you can camp with confidence and peace of mind. Immerse yourself in nature while maintaining privacy. The tent features sky viewing windows and 2 mesh windows. The sky viewing window allows you to admire the panoramic sky and lets in more light, improving visibility and ventilation. For privacy, simply zip the window flaps closed. It includes 1 large entrance door, 2 mesh windows, and side vents, ensuring excellent ventilation. It is easy to set up and fold into a compact handbag, saving storage space and making your car more spacious for other belongings. Experience the ultimate waterless aromatherapy with the Lintro Waterless Essential Oil Diffuser. Innovative diffuser is designed to handle pure essential oil undiluted diffusion directly from a 20 ml bottle. Say goodbye to water dilution and enjoy the full potency of your favorite essential oils. Perfect for small area applications, this rechargeable and portable diffuser is your ideal companion. Take the waterless diffuser with you wherever you go. It's not only battery powered but also features convenient USB Type-C charging, allowing you to charge the diffuser on the go. Enjoy aromatherapy anytime, anywhere. Create the perfect ambience with the diffuser's adjustable LED lights, offering 9 vibrant colors. Choose from 3 mist modes to suit your preference. The diffuser also features an automatic shutdown feature, providing convenience and peace of mind. Introducing the Joy Tutu's car steering wheel desk, the perfect companion for your on-the-go lifestyle. Innovative flannel pocket design ensures a universal fit for most vehicles and new steering wheels. Unlike plastic trays, this steering wheel desk won't leave any scratches or require you to rotate the steering wheel during use. Features retractable straps on both sides and above, allowing you to adjust the opening angle and height for your utmost comfort. Regardless of your body shape, you'll find the perfect position. Additionally, it includes a water cup pocket and a small storage pocket to hold your essentials such as water cups, pens, and documents. Enjoy a versatile platform for eating, playing, studying, and working in your car. With a maximum capacity for a 15-inch laptop, this desk can be installed on the steering wheel for drivers or buckled at the back of the seat. Introducing the articulating endoscope inspection camera, your ultimate tool for precise inspections and repairs. Experience crystal clear visuals with a 1080 HD 5-inch big display screen. The built-in 4 to 8 ring adjustable brightness ensures optimal visibility in even the darkest inspection areas. Perfect for various applications such as mechanical inspections, car repairs, and more. Flexible bending 180 degrees gooseneck probe allows you to navigate tight spaces with ease. Capture live video and pictures at 1920 by 1080p pixels, providing you with high-definition visuals for accurate inspections. The adjustable 4-ring LED lights ensure optimal brightness in any environment. No app is required, making it hassle-free to use. Equipped with unique temperature protection technology. It automatically triggers an alarm when the temperature reaches 75 C, and if it exceeds 85 C, it shuts down automatically for protection. Get a closer look at hard-to-reach areas and tackle tasks with precision and confidence. Thanks for watching. You can buy these products using my links. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's meet with a new video in next time.